tayo today? Ay, bakit hindi June 5. Here in the USA. So, I will be filming today. Maggagawa tayo ng vlog today, guys. While waiting for Belle, he went to his doctor's appointment early this morning. We'll be going to his sister's house. So, kung naririnig yung maingay, guys, naglalaba ako. Washing clothes kasi marami kaming laundry. So, kailangan natin mag-wash ng clothes. Prepare kami kasi anytime now, Belle will be here. Hindi ko muna mapapakita sa inyo, guys, yung buong bahay. Belle and I are still working on it. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, nung nagpunta si Belle sa Philippines noong May 18, he's been working on this house. Nagre-repaint kasi siya, guys. So, ang daming kalat doon sa living area kasi yung mga gamit pinaglalagay niya sa living area. So, yung living area namin ngayon sobrang messy. So, I don't like to vlog there. So, magbablog ako doon when everything is already or completely finished. So, here sa girls room naman, okay na siya. So, anong tawag nito? Na-paint na to ni Belle before siya nagpuntang Pinas. So, tapos na to i-paint. Well, actually, not completely tapos, pero sabi niya kasi kailangan pa niya mag-touch up. Pero sobrang konting-konti na lang. So, yung gagawin namin kasi, guys, yung sa kitchen, nagre-repaint. Ato bang nagunta ko na? Nagre-repaint from beige kasi yung original color ng house na to beige siya, so parang yellowish something, and we both planned few months ago talaga na ibahin namin yung color. So we decided to go on a kind of stone color, like parang gray, light gray something na color. Yan yung ipapalit namin sa wall. We've been here for 3 days. Then she just wanted to play with you. See? Very cute. Malunog. It's okay because you're so pretty. You're so pretty. You're very pretty. You're very pretty. Oh, see? Nag-sit siya. High five siya. High five!
Walked out the door, I forgot. You got halfway here, and I mentioned that.
Oh, sige, okay, fine.
Halfway there.
You want dog? You want a dog too? We plan on getting a dog, but not today. We're busy with things. Now we're heading to Lowe's. Remember the store yesterday? That you are so tired to walk around? We're going there. Sobrang init. Buti pa yung... Ay, sorry. Buti pa yung phone natin kasi much better light than sa camera. Meron naman mga plants dito. Tingnan yung mga plants nila. Marami talaga silang plants here. Yan, marami. Meron na kami dito sa bahay. Daming options dito if you wanted to build a house. And here you go. Where was that place where we saw the kitchen model? It's in the back. Outfit check. Ukay-ukay. H&M. Shein top. Nabili ko yan 150. Ukay-ukay. Maganda. Oh, wow. So it's like if you're building a house, you come here and get whatever you need, right? For shower, like in the Bricks Hotel, you have the flat one, like that. Yeah. The one is nice. Yeah. This is my favorite part of the store. The window shopping.
Something like this, I
Yes,
think
for
is
the-
better than the big cabinet.
You can store like I think I need bigger bed.
Bigger what?
I have so much stuff. Wait, Yashley's gone. Where is she? Where's Yashley?
Wandering around.
Oh, you don't touch the flower. You don't touch it. It's an orchids, my mom's favorite. It's for sale around $28. Say hi. I was like, it's so hot outside. It's very hot. There's the plant there, live plants, guys. We were there yesterday. I was not filming, but they have a lot of variety. They have so much variety of plants for indoor and outdoor. But then right now I don't want to go there. It's freaking hot, to be honest. It's really hot here. And what are you looking? Huh? What are you looking?
I'm just looking. I'm waiting for y'all.
Not today. So these are for sale too?
Yeah.
Tingnan nyo naman to, guys. Oh, may saging dito, guys. Pang indoor plant to. Pula. Magkano kaya to? Tingnan natin yung price niya. Clearance daw to, sabi ni Bill. Wow, 129.
Yeah, I'm sure it's discounted.
That's not the price anymore. They have roses also. Yan, mga plants nila dito. Ang dami nilang plants actually. Ang init nga lang doon. This one, tingnan nyo, binibenta to. Asan yung price? Marami to sa bukid. Wow, guys, magbibenta na kaya ako ng plants. Oh, $99 for this one.
Anything here, here's the. If it's less than $2, you can buy it for $1.
Less than $2?
Between $2 and $5, you can buy it for $2.
Oh, I think you know what you need. Wow, binibenta lang. We had a lot of this. Ay, wait. We have a lot of this in our place.
Okay.
Guys, I didn't know.
You can buy them.
I even saw yesterday a fern that's for sale. Like I think they are making it as a plant. What are the ferns for? Ferns. It's $10. There's a lot in our rice field. Ferns. I was like, imagine if I had brought ferns here, I'll be rich. Tingnan niyo yung price. Santan. $19 lamang. Grabe siya. Ang mahal dito. How much? 26.
So it's half off.
So it's not now like what?
It's actually
18.
27 because it's $26.98.
Yeah.
Just round up to 27.
Divide 2. So that's the
So
price.
$13.50.
Still expensive. They just found this lolly. Big. Hurry up because daddy is punching. It's beautiful. It's hot. We are back home. Pinalipong ko sa kainit sa gawas. So may binili kami, guys. Sa Lowe's today. Get it? Naman diri ang katong charger. May binili kami doon sa Lowe's today. Supposedly ano lang tingin-tingin kami doon, but we saw this one and I decided to like get one. This is curtain rod kasi gusto ko lagyan ng curtain yung room ng mga kids. And meron kasi akong dalang curtain from the Philippines. Shred siya, yung white na magaan lang na curtain. I think it's nice. Actually, meron namang blinds yung kanilang room, but it would be nice to have curtains actually. Haba pala yung ano dito sa curtain area. Haba pala siya, guys. Kaya good luck. So ganito yung nabili ko sa Shein to, ha. Binili ko sa Shein. Pinadeliver ko sa post office ni Bell. So nakuha ko to like, what day is today? Friday? Is it Friday today? So nakuha ko siya like Tuesday, dumating. Dapat pala malaki. But it's okay. Ganito siya, guys. So instead of having a curtain that has garment, I'll just use this one. I have no idea how it looks like, but I saw it in Pinterest and it looks so nice. It came out nice. Nakita ka doon. So let's try this one.
All frosty.
What kind?
Chocolate.
237, thank you.
Thank you.
That was fast. We just got Frosty from Wendy's. Try ko daw. Punta kaming HEB, guys. Kasi bibili kami ng detergent. Kasi naglalaba ko kanina, naubusan kami ng liquid detergent. Another plants. What is this? What are these? Display? Inita. Guys, sobrang init. Grabe. Alam kong mainit sa Pilipinas, pero dito, oh my God, over ang kainit.
Or we can get this.
Up to you. I just wanted to put something like leftover. So yeah. Is it glass?
Yeah, this is glass. This is 3-piece set.
That's $19. My gosh, mahal.
Well, yeah. And
This is $5? No. $5 for 2?
6 actually with the coupon.
How about that one? That's 5.
It's 7 with the coupon. It's 6. $5.98. That's $6.
Dito yung maraming para pang laundry. So kailangan namin na.
You want Downy?
Yeah. Well, because you're not using, you don't have a separate for fabric, so we can
Okay.
forget that one.
You want this one or this one or this one?
It's the same.
Well, yeah. This is smaller. This is 59 loads. This is
94. So we'll get it. It's
94.
the same. We're gonna use it anyway. Nakapag-grocery na kami nung nakaraang araw, guys. So ngayon, hindi na kami bibili. Konti na lang. Bibili kami konti. That's the one we ate. The girls ate that one this morning. They like that.
Same one I got last time, right?
Yeah. I cooked it this morning for breakfast. They liked it. Okay. Andito po yung mga red wines, guys. Baka naman. Ang dami lang dito, oh. Guys. Lahat yan. Puro, red wine. Yes! Andun pa. Oh my gosh.
Chicken nuggets. Chicken strips.
Strips.
Tenders.
Strips.
Chicken strips. This one.
Yeah. Boneless, I want.
Boneless, right?
Which one?
These are all boneless.
Which one?
You can get sliced.
This one is
boneless
already
skins.
sliced. Yeah, we'll get the sliced
These
then.
are chicken breast tenders.
And it doesn't have the fat, which is good. The white one, the white.
Okay.
We'll get these. Fresh, no artificial, it says.
Yeah.
Grabe yung isda na dito, lalaki. Salmon, $11. Ito yung gusto ko, but I don't know how to cook crabs. Yan, binuksan na nila yung body. Yun, mga prices nila ng shrimp, guys. So, wow, this one, lobster. What is this? Like per kilo or per $9 per?
It's like $9.97.
Wow. Imagine one of these is $9.
Each one is $10.
Just got back from the store. Gusto kong mag-nap. I wanted to nap. Pero baka hindi ako makatulog mamaya. Kasi tapusin ko lang yung laundry, guys. And then, tatapusin ko yung laundry. May nabili na kaming detergent. I'm still doing my laundry, guys. It's already 9 in the evening. Ang lamig. Sobrang lamig dito sa loob. So, anyway, natulog si Bill doon sa floor. Hinayaan ko na lang kasi ganyan siya. Pag nagre-rest yan, guys, kahit saan yan na floor, hihiga yan. So, bukas ko na lang yung idadry yung aking. Tapos na yung laundry ko, guys, pero kailangan ko pa siyang i-dry. Bukas ko lang gagawin kasi 9 na ng gabi. And then meron tayong 9 na ng gabi. Hindi naman siya maingay. Actually, maingay lang siya kung naririnig nyo siya malapit. Pero like, kung sarado yung pinto, hindi ko siya naririnig. But pag andun ako, maingay siya. Kaka-fold ko lang pala ng mga clothes. Kasi 2 load yung na-dry ko na. 3 load yung nilaban ko. 2 load yung dry na at na fold ko na. So anyway, end ko tong vlog dito. Yung mga kids tulog na. Pakita ko lang konti before ko end yung kanilang room para may idea kayo guys. Pero nakita nyo na to kanina or hindi na. Show you. Hi. Yasli's sleeping already. Nicole. Nagsigap ang mata. Anyway. Kung makikita nyo lang yung suot ko, papakita ko sa inyo ha kung ano yung itsura ng aking suot. Ganun kalamig po dito sa loob ng bahay ni Belle. So, sweater or jacket, nakapants ako, nakamedyas. Sobrang lamig talaga. Sabi ko sa kanya, ba't ang lamig? Sabi niya, same lang naman yung temperature, pero ang lamig talaga. Ang lamig talaga guys. Anyway, kita nyo, sobrang messy pa right now sa room na ito, but then kung sinabi ko to kanina, did I say this earlier na we plan on repainting this wall also. So isi-same namin siya ng color sa wall ng mga bedroom wall ng kids na magiging stone color siya. Right now it's beige kasi para siyang yellowish something. So, papalitan namin yan guys into like light gray or stone color, something like that. Para magmukha siyang bago. Like, yung room ng mga kids, sobrang ganda niya tingnan. And then, sobrang nakaka-light. Nag-vlog ako kanina doon. Ang ganda ng kuha. Kasi reflection yun sa paint. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Mag-end ako guys. I'll be watching Netflix. Hindi na ako inaantok. Kanina antok-lantok ako. Pero mag-watch ako ng Netflix guys. And then, I'll try to sleep. Para makatulog na ako ng normal na tulog. Kasi for the past 5 days, hindi ako natutulog. Or hindi ako natutulog. Natutulog ako pero hindi normal yung tulog ko guys. Like 3 oras lang. And then pagka umaga, antok na naman ako. Yung mga wala akong energy. So, subukan natin maging regular yung ating tulog this time. Bye guys! See you next time.